Actually invests your tax dollars in the stock market without keeping you in on the deal. They don't explain how they are doing this, and the media is gagged from speaking of it. Most wouldn't understand even if they did, because how they do it is quite complicated. But to grossly oversimplify it, they are able to do this via the Federal Reserve Bank, which is actually a private institution that prints the money, and can itself invest in a private firm, which I can't disclose, with no oversight. These two institutions are basically run by the same people, by the way. It's a revolving door. A private firm like Goldman Sachs have the world's finest mathematical and trading minds from all over the globe, all on their payroll. Not to be used for peon clients like you, but for the higher-ups. These masterminds create and constantly update the most sophisticated trading algorithms on the planet. This secret private firm is actually flooded with so much cash thanks to their buddies at the Feds that they have the ability to move the market any which way they want, on a dime, regardless of what's going on in the economy, and sucker millions of small-time investors out of their hard-earned paychecks. The poor people who naively think that when they invest in the markets, they're actually operating on a fair and balanced scale. But the truth is, they don't even need to move the market most of the time, because their algorithms are so accurate they can predict its movements to nearly statistical perfection. Now, to do this, they run some of the most sophisticated trading algorithms on Earth, and those are exactly what I was after. So, on a Sunday 2 summers ago, I decided to hack this one particular financial giant. I knew their algorithm would be well protected, but I didn't know it would be this well protected. Normal government password protected websites have a 16-digit passcode. This one was a string 85 digits long. Must have been extra important to them. Never one to be deterred by a weighty task, I simply broke the job into 5-digit parts and tackled them one by one. It took me about a week of automated number combination testing, but in the end, it was done. The site unlocked, but that only led to another roadblock. This one was a lot more difficult to deal with. It was requiring a facial recognition scan. I didn't even have facial recognition software. So I found a good one online and I hacked into it. Then I realized, of course, I had the wrong face to go in it. However, on that point I had some help. Black market hacking technology had made some